Retardants. While flame retardants are essential for preventing fires and protecting human safety, there are concerns regarding their environmental impact and potential health risks. Research and development of safer and more sustainable flame retardants are crucial for balancing fire safety and environmental protection. Color-changing materials. Color-changing materials are materials that change color in response to external stimuli such as temperature, light, or humidity. They are widely used in various applications, including sensors, displays, and smart textiles. Color-changing materials can be classified into two categories: thermochromic and photochromic materials. Thermochromic materials change color in response to temperature changes, while photochromic materials change color in response to light. Color-changing materials are essential for creating dynamic and responsive materials that can adapt to changing environments and conditions. They have a wide range of applications, from mood-changing clothing to smart windows that can adjust their transparency in response to sunlight. Conclusion. In conclusion, the use of durability and color-enhancing products is essential in various industries to maintain the quality and aesthetics of materials. Flame retardants and color-changing materials are two additional types of products that are widely used in various applications. Flame retardants prevent or delay the spread of fire and protect human safety, while color-changing materials create dynamic and responsive materials that can adapt to changing environments and conditions. Further research and development of these products are crucial for improving their performance, safety, and sustainability in the ever-evolving fields of technology and industry. Durability and color-enhancing products play a vital role in various industries, from textiles to electronics. In this article, we will explore additional types of durability and color-enhancing products, including antimicrobial agents and fluorescent dyes. Antimicrobial agents. Antimicrobial agents are chemicals that are added to materials to prevent or reduce the growth of microorganisms, such as bacteria and fungi. They are widely used in various industries, including healthcare, food, and textiles. Antimicrobial agents work by disrupting the growth and reproduction of microorganisms. They can be classified into several types, including silver-based agents, release silver ions that can damage the cell walls and membranes of microorganisms. Quaternary ammonium compounds, COX, disrupt the cell membranes of microorganisms. Triclosan, disrupts the metabolism of microorganisms. Antimicrobial agents are essential for preventing the spread of infectious diseases and maintaining hygiene and safety in various applications. However, there are concerns regarding the development of antimicrobial resistant bacteria and the potential environmental impact of these agents. Fluorescent dyes. Fluorescent dyes are chemicals that emit light when excited by certain wavelengths of light. They are widely used in various applications, including biomedical imaging, forensics, and materials science. Fluorescent dyes can be classified into several types, including organic dyes, quantum dots, and fluorescent proteins. Organic dyes are small molecules that can be easily incorporated into various materials and have a wide range of colors and properties. Quantum dots are nanoscale particles that have unique optical and electronic properties. Fluorescent proteins are protein-based dyes that are widely used in biological imaging. Fluorescent dyes are essential for creating materials that can emit light and respond to external stimuli.